Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. We're excited to unveil this CARFAX one-owner 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K with an impressively low 21,000 miles. This 38-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner XCM chassis, showcases the opulent 38K floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 6 in refined comfort. Adorned in Fleetwood's stunning midnight full-body paint package, this RV radiates grandeur, powered by a potent Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a breathtaking tour to explore every upscale feature of this remarkable coach. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K commands attention with timeless elegance. The midnight color and graphics scheme bathes this coach in sleek sophistication, ensuring it shines at every campground or scenic stop. Spanning 38 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCM chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride across any terrain. Powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. With only 21,000 miles, this RV is practically new, ready for countless luxurious journeys. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your camping experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out storage tray offer vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures.
An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A Girard power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, stylish oasis at any campsite. One-touch 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks ensure quick, stable setup, while a 10,000-pound trailer hitch allows you to tow with ease. The low mileage and robust build make this RV a reliable companion for adventure. Powering your travels is effortless with this RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 400 hours of use on a slide-out service tray delivers reliable power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with a power cord reel, paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and dual furnaces keep you comfortable year-round, while a Truma tankless hot water heater provides endless hot water. Ceramic tile flooring and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system add luxury and convenience, making every journey a breeze.
Step inside, and the 38K floor plan unfolds as a spacious, upscale haven. 3 enormous slide-outs and an 84-inch interior ceiling height create an airy interior that sleeps up to 6, ideal for families or groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a jackknife sectional sleeper sofa, and a large U-shaped dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space in the front living room. The middle living area is a tranquil oasis, with a huge L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa, a 50-inch TV, an electric fireplace with heat,
The ceramic tile flooring and high-gloss cabinetry create a warm, luxurious ambiance. The front kitchen setup is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, an extendable countertop, and a dishwasher option for ultimate convenience. The large U-shaped dinette nearby offers a versatile dining and sleeping space, perfect for family meals or game nights. The 1.5 bath setup is exceptional, with a private half bathroom featuring a sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, and a full-width rear bathroom with a large shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan. A stackable washer and dryer makes extended trips or full-time living effortless. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil retreat, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closets, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-outs create a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, home-like vibe. The king bed, sectional sofa, and U-shaped dinette provide flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family vacations or group getaways. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 38K floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 6. The Cummins ISB engine and Freightliner XCM chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the Truma hot water heater, dishwasher, and Midnight paint package add elegance, while the ceramic tile flooring and washer/dryer elevate comfort. Picture yourself cruising in this 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K, exploring coastal shores, mountain retreats, or quiet campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing a gourmet meal in the front kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. Let's dive deeper into why this Discovery LXE is a standout choice. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, ceramic tile floors, and thoughtful features like the central vacuum system and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathrooms to the stackable washer-dryer, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The Midnight paint package not only enhances curb appeal, but also protects the RV for years of travel. The full pass-through storage and slide-out tray make organization effortless,
while the exterior entertainment center adds fun to any campsite. The Girard awnings and hydraulic leveling jacks elevate both style and functionality, making this RV a head-turner. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The L-shaped sectional sofa and U-shaped dinette create a perfect spot for family gatherings or unwinding after a day of exploration. The 50-inch TV and electric fireplace add warmth and entertainment, while the high ceiling height enhances the open, luxurious feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Discovery LXE? Its blend of luxury and versatility is unmatched, with features like the dishwasher, Truma hot water heater, and spacious interior that make life on the road effortless. The 38K floor plan offers ample space for 6, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2018 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 38K. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2018 Discovery LXE 38K. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you explore the road in elegance.